Hey, hopefully this will work out. It's awful windy out here. I got my microphone from the shop the other day. I had a hobble down there. That was more of a chore than I thought it'd be, even with my cane. So I was down there getting something else, so I went and grabbed my microphone and little tripod. So still some cars going by. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad. I'll find out when I edit this. This is my 4-week update. It's actually Wednesday. The 4 weeks was 2 days ago. And Monday was my surgery. It was 4 weeks Monday. But I just was hurting and not feeling great Monday and Tuesday, and I just didn't feel like making a video. I feel like much one now, but I'm just trying to put an honest video out there for people that's going to be going through this. It's getting cold. It's going to rain. Knee hurts a lot. I keep ice on it. It starts doing pretty good. But the thing is, you got to do exercises. And I went to therapy Monday morning, and then again this morning. They're coming down to 2 days a week, but man, that is trying to force that knee back, force the knee straight. She just pushes and pushes, and I just cringe and cringe. It's rough. But anyway, but you got to do it. Of course, today I made a big mistake. Went to therapy. She iced it down, and I was hurting. My wife wanted to stop at Sam's, and I thought, well, maybe walking through Sam's would stretch it out a little. That was a mistake. It just got worse and worse. I barely made it back to the car. So I just been icing it all afternoon. I mean, it's already after lunchtime, and I've just been keeping ice on it, pumping from that polar ice pack. I got 4 16.9 ounce bottles, empty Coke bottles, 3/4 filled with water, and you put those down in your polar ice cube. And it saves trying to make ice cubes all the time. And I keep 8 of those, so I got 4. I got all 8 freezing most of the time, but when I use one, I got 4 in the freezing, so I can just swap them out, keep going. When I was doing my shoulder, I didn't take breaks. I just kept ice on it all the time for my rotator cuff. I had 12 bottles, and I was just rotating because they'll thaw in the polar ice pack thing faster than they'll freeze up. And I haven't shaved. I felt like anything. Just tired. Don't sleep well. They're trying to call me in some step-down medication. I don't want to take any of that high pain stuff anymore. That messes with you. Took some the other night and I couldn't sleep. I just laid there hurting on pain meds. I could feel the medicine working. I was just hurting for, I guess, probably 3 to 4 hours. Took another one and a Benadryl. And I guess between tired and a Benadryl, it knocked me out, and I slept for about 4 or 5 hours. I'm just tired all the time, hurting all the time. But I think it all depends on your leg before the surgery. I think with mine, it had been messed up so long, it was always a little bent, and trying to get it out like this and trying to get it back like that, it just never went that far for decades. So I think now it's like trying to fight all those muscle tendons stuff and everything. My other leg, which actually almost hyperextends and bends back okay, I think if I ever, well, whenever I get it done, probably be later in the year. I don't think I'm going to be doing it right away. It's starting to get cold. It was 79 degrees out here just a minute ago when I came out. Yeah, this is definitely taking way more therapy and pain and just everything for the knee than it did the hip. For me anyway. Everybody's different, I know. And I think it's a lot of, like I said, it starts out with how bad your knee was beforehand, how much the therapy is going to hurt you and stuff. Well, I guess I'll go see how this is going to even come out. It's probably got a ton of wind noise in it, but I'll see. Anyway, you all have a blessed day. And if you're going through this, pray it goes well. Hope you do okay. First 2 or 3 weeks are already the hardest, and it's getting better. It's just not getting better fast enough for me, and maybe my impatience, I guess. But we'll see. Y'all take care. Bye-bye now.